Hey friends, um, this is the same garden and I started in the same position so you see how much snow we got today. Thankfully, I got to show you the video I recorded yesterday, but look at this. I'm glad I came out because these branches are folded. The snow is too heavy, too wet, and the plants are they're all over the place. They're splitting, and I might have to tie them up. I don't know how am I gonna prune them in spring to try to avoid this in the future. But yeah, look at this. Even the skip laurel is in top of the arbovites due to the heavy snow. This storm was bigger than the other one. We are under a lot of snow. As you can see, there's no boxwood to be seen. There's nothing. And look at my North Pole arborvitae. Or should I say, what is it? Oh, I don't know. Look at it now. I'm gonna need to tie it up. This is crazy. The hydrangeas are all buried. Those don't have that much problem. But look at my boxwood. Oh, no. Oh, my. Hopefully it recovers. Oh, no. Oh, well, it's looking better. Now, let's go down into the sunken garden. I just need to be very careful to see where the steps are. I am very up to my knees, so I am walking very careful and it's very difficult to move. I see that my skyrocket juniper is not where it's supposed to be. Look at my arbovitas on the floor. It's split up. Oh no. Oh well. If I lose some things, I guess we could replace them. I'm going to try tying this up and see if it recovers the form. It's all I could do right now, right? I just don't think the skyrocket juniper is alive. It probably broke. Look at how heavy the snow is. It's really heavy. Oh, no. Well, let's see how this does because it's not looking too hot at the moment. At all. I don't know if we're gonna have to replace it. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get something and tie them up and hope for the best. There's nothing else we could do here. I'm trying to just take the snow off the plants. This doesn't need it, but since I'm here anyways. That's the green giant arborvitae. Let's see what survives from these storms. And we're gonna get more snow tomorrow. So yeah. And next week we also have 2 days that we're supposed to get more snow. I don't know if I should cut it or just wait for it until spring. Well, guys, this is the update. This is how the garden is looking today. I hope you have a great day in your garden. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.